Starting with two Intel Xeon E5-22697V2 12-core processors at 25 and 34.98 pounds each. Keeping them cool with two NZXT Kraken X41 liquid coolers, 109.99 each. For the motherboard, the Asus Z9PE D8WS dual CPU for $529.98. Loaded up with 64 GB of G.Skill Ripjaw Z Series DDR3 2400 memory, $660.98. For graphics, two Sapphire Radeon R9 295X2 8GB video cards in Crossfire, $1599.99 each. All housed in a Phanteks Enthos Series Primo case, $239.99. Power it with a Corsair AX1500i 1500W PSU, $449.99. The total cost is $104,400.78.